This is the foundational spreadsheet model, Deliverable 1-2. On this initial spreadsheet, we have the inputs for current information as well as future information. For current information, we can put in the current grade, current years of service, years left until ETS at 20 years, most likely zip code until ETS, dependent status, estimated tax rate, monthly pay, monthly BAH, and NPV of post 9/11 GI Bill. Based on that information, we can calculate we can estimate the grade at ETS, the monthly pay at ETS, as well as the monthly BAH at ETS. And at the bottom, we can calculate the total pay.
On our next spreadsheet, you see the soldier's monthly pay. It's broken up by grade, which you see on the left in black, and years of service, which comes across the top in white. Based off of that, you can find out how much a soldier will make over so many years at what grade. For the next spreadsheet, we have the zip codes on the left and then the corresponding MHA codes on the right. In this spreadsheet, on the far left, you see the MHA codes that correspond with the zip codes. Next to that are locations of where the zip code is. Then in yellow, you see the basic allowance for housing without dependents by pay grade. And in the blue, you see the basic allowance for housing with dependents by pay grade.
In our final spreadsheet, we have the NPV GI Bill calculator. In the above chart, we have the training schedule based on years of enlistment. On the left side, in the white, are the rates for an enlistment of 3 years or more, whereas on the right, in the black, are rates for enlistment of less than 3 years. This chart is broken down by training time, monthly rate, and as well as the training. In the calculator on the bottom, it takes 3 inputs: type of training, training period, and the zip code of the training site. The type of training and training period correspond to the chart above, whereas the zip codes correspond to the previous spreadsheets. In the final box, the GI Bill total, it calculates what the GI Bill will be given the previously mentioned information. This concludes our foundational spreadsheet model.